Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to check the envelope ID in Docusign. The envelope ID is a unique tracking number that helps us monitor and reference document transactions easily. Let's get started. On the Docusign dashboard, we go to the Agreement section. In Agreements, we go to Sell Agree Now. Send on Agreements is where our completed documents are stored. Once completed, we can view the full details of our documents, such as the envelope ID and completion certificate. To view the envelope ID, we just need to click that option. Now click this one. As we can see, if we move the cursor here, we will see the contact ID. But if we want the full details, we just need to click this Details option. Now, here is the contract ID. We can copy and paste it and send it to someone who needs it, or to follow up on someone's papers. We can send it as needed. That's how we check the Docusign envelope ID. With this reference number, we can quickly track document status and verify transaction details whenever needed.